Here at Mayfair Lab School in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, students are able to learn outside the classroom through clubs such as archery, sports, cooking, robotics, yearbook, and journalism. The clubs teach students social skills and different abilities based on what club they are in. Some students may not have the opportunity to develop their talents in these areas without the availability of school clubs. Students in cooking club are exposed to the basics of various culinary skills.
I joined cooking club mostly for the food, but I also joined because I want to expand my expertise on cooking, like learn how to cook more stuff and what to cook and how to cook it. What I've learned in cooking club is teamwork and communication because we do work in table groups when we cook something, and that can kind of help people that want to pursue a cooking career on in life. Like if they want to work in a restaurant kitchen, you have to do a lot of communication and cooperation and teamwork in order to get things done.
Students in Archery Club can learn about precision and accuracy. They can also better develop their patience and self-control.
Some skills that I have learned in Archery Club are most definitely repetition. You have to practice over and over and over again to get everything locked into your muscle memory. And responsibility is another big part. You've got to be able to take care of all your equipment so that it'll work properly whenever you do go to shoot. And then patience. Patience is also very important.
The sports club is a great way to educate students about the importance of teamwork and communication.
I joined sports club because it was going to be more activities and being able to be outside with friends.
Two other clubs that give students possible future skills are journalism and yearbook. Students can become a news reporter, writing stories that can be printed online or in a newspaper, or they can be a broadcast journalist, filming and reporting on television news shows. Yearbook students use the skill of photography to memorialize the school year through pictures. These skills can be used later in life for students that may be interested in becoming a photographer. Robotics students learn valuable skills such as working together to complete a common goal.
I joined robotics because I wanted to learn about programming and about teamwork and core values. We learn to work together in robotics, and we also learn programming the EV3 robot and how to cooperate in tournaments.
Teamwork is very important in many career fields, and students learn that challenges are easier when people cooperate with each other.
So I think robotics is going to help me because it's going to help improve my teamwork skills, and it's going to give me a better awareness of what I need to do to program the robot.
Having clubs in schools helps students learn valuable life lessons and skills that will help set them on a path for a brighter future. I am Tavarius Battieste for PPS Student Reporting Lab.